Hello friends, today's topic, every year 36% appreciation in CDSL stocks, complete fundamental analysis. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is serving the society. This is case study of one of the companies which has benefited immensely from the continuous increasing participation of the investors in Indian stock markets. The intention of making such fundamental analysis videos is to make you aware of different companies for you to learn and research further. Now, CDSL journey. CDSL was founded in 1999 and initially promoted by BSC Limited and other financial institutions such as SBI, HDFC Fund, Standard Chartered Bank, Canara Bank, LIC, etc. However, as of now, only BSC holds 15% stake in CDSL, whereas other institutions have sold their stake over the years. CDSL is one among the two depositories in India. The other depository is NSDL, which was promoted by NSE. CDSL is the largest depository in terms of number of demat accounts opened. Number of demat accounts opened in CDSL is around 11 crores out of the total of around 15 crores. Currently, as per data, CDSL is gaining market share in comparison to NSDL in terms of number of new demat accounts opened. CDSL facilitates holding and transacting securities in electronic form and facilitates the settlement of trades executed on stock exchange. CDSL around 580 registered depository participants called DPs, through which it provides demat facilities to investors, and the total value of shares held by investors in their accounts are 64.20 crores. CDSL charges fees from depository participants for its demat services, fees from listed companies for maintaining share records of buy, sell, bonus, stock split, etc. As of now, NSDL shares are not yet listed on the stock markets. There will be an alternative for investors when it is listed. Similarly, only BSE shares are listed on stock markets currently, and NSE is yet to get approval from SEBI for IPO. Along with the BSE, CAMS, listed asset management companies, listed stockbroking companies, CDSL will benefit from the financialization of savings and huge increase in people wanting to invest in stock markets and mutual funds in India. CDSL IPO details. CDSL launched its IPO in June 2017. It was completely an offer for sale by existing investors. It raised rupees 524 crores through the IPO. IPO issue price rupees 149 per share. IPO subscribed 170 times. CDSL yearly financials. March 2014, total revenue 89 crores, net profit 50 crores. March 2015, total revenue 105 crores, net profit 43 crores. 2016, total revenue 123 crores, net profit 91 crores. 2017, 146 crores is the revenue and net profit 87 crores. March 2018, total revenue 188 crores, net profit 104 crores. March 2019, 196 crores, net profit 115 crores. March 2020, total revenue 215 crores, net profit 107 crores. March 2021, 344 is the total revenue, net profit 201 crores. March 2022, 551 crores is the total revenue, net profit 312 crores. March 2023, total revenue 555 crores, net profit 276 crores. CDSL sales and profit growth. 3 years sales growth 37% per annum, net profit growth 37% per annum. 5 years sales growth 24% per annum, net profit growth 22% per annum. 10 years sales growth 20% per annum, net profit growth 22% per annum. Comparison of CDSL and NSDL. CDSL revenue March 2023 555 crores, net profit March 2023 276 crores. NSDL revenue March 2023 1100 crores, and net profit March 2023 235 crores. CDSL yearly closing rate. That means the closing rate on 31st December 2017 358, 2018 223, 2019 223, 2020 533, 2021 1500, 2022 1115 and year 2023 1824. So far, no bonus shares have been given and no stock splits have been done by CDSL. Rupees 10,000 per year from June 2017. Suppose an investor invested rupees 10,000 at the beginning of every year in CDSL shares from 2017 to 2024, that is 8 years, would have bought a total shares of 196 shares. Today's approximate share price is rupees 1995 per share. Total investment 8 into 10,000, 80,000. Total value 196 into 1995 is equal to 3,91,020 rupees. If an investor had invested a one-time lump sum amount of rupees 10,000 in CDSL shares, returns since June 2017, 6 years and 10 months, June 2017 invested 10,000 and gotten 250 shares. April 2024, that 250 shares you have at the rate of 1995 has appreciated to 79,800. That means CAGR 35.52% per annum. CDSL returns for different periods. 1 year returns 97%, 3 year returns 40% per annum, 5 year returns 53% per annum. Shareholding pattern December 2023. Promoters 15%, FIIs 18.16%, DIIs 21.33%, retail shareholders 45.51%. CDSL share graph 2017 to 2024 and it is going up and with some valleys and some peaks here and there. In the years to come, the number of investors in stock markets increase along with the increase in the number of companies being listed in the stock markets. CDSL will benefit from the growth of both of the above. What needs to be seen is how it will face competition from NSDL. Also, investors will have a choice of another stock once NSDL is listed on stock markets. At the end of the video, here is a question. Do you think once NSDL shares are listed in the stock market, some investors may prefer investing in NSDL compared to CDSL? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.